Structure of a neuron: cell body, dendrites, nucleus, axon, myelin sheath, nerve ending. These are the parts of a neuron. Students, draw this diagram in your science notebook as well as in your science record book and label the parts. Now let us see the transmission of message through a neuron. We know that a tiny gap between two successive neurons is known as synapse or synapsis. Write in your notebook what is synapsis or synapse. A tiny gap between two successive neurons is called synapsis or synapse. The hair-like structures which arise from the cell body are called dendrites. What is the function of dendrites? They receive information in the form of chemical impulses. The impulses travel in this way. Here they are in the form of chemical impulses and they travel through the axon in the form of electrical impulses. At the end of the axon there is a nerve ending. Here the impulses release some chemicals. These are the dendrites of the next neuron. These dendrites pick the signals in the form of chemical impulses, and again those impulses travel in this way through the axon of the next neuron in the form of electrical impulses, and this process continues. There is one more neuron, nerve ending, there is synapse, and this process continues. Students, this is how the message is transmitted through the neuron. Neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of nervous system. The components of a nervous system are central nervous system CNS, peripheral nervous system PNS, autonomic nervous system ANS. Brain and spinal cord are the components of central nervous system. Unknowingly, when you touch a hot pan or a hot iron box, how do you respond? You will scream and withdraw your hands immediately, isn't it? How do we detect that we are touching a hot object? It is the nervous system detects it. By looking at the bright sunlight, you close your eyes. This automatic response to the external stimulus is called reflex action. What is reflex action? An automatic response to the external stimulus is called reflex action. Spinal cord is the center of all reflex actions. Now, think that you are touching a hot object. Here it is the skin. In the skin, the receptors or the organs which receive stimulus are found in the skin. Receptors are found in the skin. They receive the stimulus. Now, the information is carried by the sensory neuron. As we have studied under neuron, there are three types of neurons. Three types. One is sensory neuron, motor neuron, mixed neuron, or it is said relay neuron. Now, the message or stimulus is carried by the sensory neuron. It conducts the stimulus impulse from the receptor to the spinal cord. Next, here it is called relay neuron. It transmits the impulse from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. It transmits the message from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. It transmits the message from the sensory neuron to the motor neuron. What is the function of this motor neuron? Motor neuron brings the response from the spinal cord to the effectors. Effectors are the organs. It brings the message from the spinal cord to the effectors. Effectors are the muscles which are attached to the bones. Now, this motor neuron brings the message from the spinal cord. Then, there are effectors. Effectors are our hands. What we do while touching the hot object, we withdraw our hand. Effectors, hand, shows the sudden response. The pathway of the nerve impulse involved in reflex action is called reflex arc. What is reflex arc? The pathway of the nerve impulse involved in reflex action is called reflex arc. This is one of the important question. Practice this diagram and study the functions of each part. What is the function of sensory neuron? What is the function of motor neuron? What is the function of mixed neuron? Relay neuron. Here we completed till page number 83. Figure 7.2 reflex arc. Below that one assignment is given. Can you now trace the sequence of events which occur when a bright light is focused on your eyes? Students, you draw the sequence of events. Instead of hot object and hand, here you have to show the bright light, sun and your eyes, sunlight and eyes. And draw the sequence of events. Keep it ready and you submit this sheet when the school reopens. Thank you, students.